Well, welcome back, everyone. It's been an exciting week already in markets and much more to come. Now, last week was an incredible, again, best of the best Wealth 365 Summit. We're already getting geared up for the one coming up in October. Now, earlier in the year, Rob added a couple of other wins to his then 30-time winning status of on-site real money trading competitions, and got up to that 32 marker back in Italy. And what we did in the summit last week, what he was able to bring to folks listening in, and welcome again to all those new wealth charters listening in, was a lot of teaching, clarity on the tools that are exclusive to wealth charts and wealth charters only. Things like the Champion Trend Pack. Now, in market today, I was able to utilize those tools to take live trades in front of folks in the live trading room, and as I was streaming to wealth charts as well. So I want to give you a little gander of how I use the Champion Trend Pack to help me make better choices in markets as we progress through the day. So without further ado, let's go take a look at the chart with the technical indications on it. And again, the tools that are on the screen over here are things that are exclusive to wealth charters, and you are lucky to have them. And I feel the same way. When I look at what's on screen, as we approached the open of trade this morning, we were trending down on the S&P E-minis, or the S&P 500. We started to get some positive momentum shifts, green dot line, and we moved from a sell zone on the Champion Cross and red dots into a buy zone as we were coming into and through the open. You can see that blue dot hit up right over there with the range breaker. We were in a buy signal state right on that bar. It followed up on the next bar with Rob's IRB strategies that are buy signals, along with the Champion Trend. And the very next bar, what did we get? A wealth signal buy signal. And the very next couple of bars, breakout forecaster started to kick in. So we had the understanding from what Rob taught last week that we are likely earlier in a move up in the market. And boy, was that accurate. You can see very clearly over here that we are in a rising state. A little pause, dip into the Champion Cross buy zone, and a continuation higher, as you can see, with IRB, breakout forecaster, and the story goes on. As we extend and extend, you can see the very unique two wealth charts divergence tracker kick in and let us know that we are rising with less and less steam, if you will, and we've got to look for the move to pause or potentially pull back. Now, a pullback that comes down and breaks below the Champion Trend border would have been a negative event, but we did not do that. The tools told us we're still in a buy signal state, but we're in wait for the next moment for opportunity on a long side trade. And those moments did appear, as you can see, in the afternoon of trade today. And that was around 2 p.m., where we started to break the negative momentum shifts, the negative divergence here. And we followed on to continue to rise to a higher high. Another negative divergence got in. Same situation. We pulled back into the Champion Cross buy zone. Bullish reversals, bullish momentum shift, as you can see on that bar and on that bar. And we broke yet again above the negative divergence. You've heard what Rob has to say about that divergences. If you've got a confirmed negative divergence and you break above it, that is potentially an opportunity for an incremental long. Now, late in the day, of course, as the market continued to stretch, it did lose a little bit of steam and pull back. However, an incredible market move overall today. 33 or so odd points on the S&P E-minis, and folks got to see me in the live trading room and, of course, on wealth charts, take live trades in front of them and get well on the way for paying for a annual membership on wealth charts. So it was a great day overall in markets. Where are we going from here? Well, we've got Tesla earnings tomorrow after the bell. We've got a stretched market. And if you look at the indications, and I'll take it to a time frame that's a little bigger for you right now than a 5-minute chart. We'll go to the 1 hour time frame over here for now. I'll pull the chart back and give you a gander of where we're at. We are still in an uptrending state. If we look at the big picture and take charts back even further to bigger time frames, the insight will be we are still in a robust uptrend that is getting a little extended. So the assessment that I provided members in the active trader room after doing some day trading in front of them into the close, the idea was we can still see a higher high into the next 24 hours, but a pause, maybe a pullback that is a little more extended vis-a-vis the ones that we saw back over here, a pause, and then a pullback that is similar to the one we saw into the end of last week, perhaps a little deeper, and then a restart of the move again would be more of a likely outcome. Now, I'm very excited to welcome new wealth charters. And of course, I've already started working with several of you live on Wealth Charts during our stream today. And of course, in the active trader room. Looking forward to being on that journey with you. Great day in markets. Great day to put the learning to work. And of course, my pleasure to be working with students just like yourselves. Looking very much forward to the big class that we're going to be doing on the weekend. Stay tuned for that. You'll have communication on Friday about that class for those that are looking at putting those tools, these exact tools that you're looking at, to work and get a really good handle on higher probability setups. Have a great rest of your day, folks. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.